In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a numbered list in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your Slack channel where you'd like to send your list. It could be a channel for your team or a direct message to someone specific. Just navigate to that channel and we'll get started. Once you're in the right place, click into the message text box at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll type your message. Now let's start creating that numbered list. Begin by typing the number 1, followed by a period and a space, so it should look like this: 1. Follow that up with your first list item. It can be anything relevant to the conversation, whether it's tasks, points you want to discuss, or any other information you want to share. Now here's a quick tip. When you're ready to move to the next line to add another item without sending the message, you'll want to press Shift and Enter at the same time on your keyboard. This little trick prevents your message from sending right away and allows you to add more to your list. And guess what? Slack is super smart. When you hit Shift Enter, it will automatically generate the number 2 for you, making it a breeze to keep your list organized. Go ahead and repeat that Shift-Enter technique for each new item on your list. So, if your second item is, say, attend the team meeting, after typing it, just use the shortcut again. Slack will take care of the numbering for you, and this way you can keep your thoughts flowing without interruption. Keep doing this until your list is complete. You'll notice how easy it is to structure your thoughts clearly and concisely. Once you've finished typing out your entire list, it's time to send it. To do this, simply click the paper plane or arrow icon located in the bottom right corner of the message box. That will send your list to the channel or conversation you're in, making it visible for everyone to see. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully created a numbered list in Slack. This can be incredibly helpful for team meetings, project planning, or just organizing your thoughts in a clear manner. I hope you found this tutorial on how to make a numbered list in Slack useful. If you've enjoyed this video and learned something today, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me know what kind of content you find valuable. Thanks for joining me today.